The Kalidasa's words were strengthened by inscriptions also. There was an inscription at Sri Hanuman Temple in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. What it mentioned, it was published in the Journal of Royal Asiatic Society of Great Britain and Ireland in the year 1911. When a total of 4,890 years of Yudhishthira had gone, the year of Vikrama is 1854 and the year of Salivakana is also that much years. So 1719 years. So this shows that Yudhishthira lived around 3101 BCE. So there is an inscriptional evidence also for that. And I thank Sir Bandarkar sir. He exactly gave the transliteration of this inscription in his book. So it clearly proves that Yudhishthira lived around 3101 BC. And Abul Fasl Ibn Mubarak, a vizier in the court of Akbar, wrote a book Ain Akbari. In the first volume, third part, 263 page, he mentioned clearly that is 4,696th year of Yudhishthira is equal to 40th year of Akbar. Akbar came to power in 1556 and his 40th year is 1595, and 49696 subtracted with 1595. So Yudhishthira rule will be around 3101 BCE. So even evidence from Abul Fasl Ibn Mubarak I can show. And Sir Alexander Cunningham endorsed this calculation in his book of Indian Eras. And Henry Thomas Colebrook, a famous Orientalist, in his book also mentioned that the epoch of Mahabharata war and the commencement of Kali Yuga and the era of Yudhishthira are almost the same in timeline. So all this literature proves that 3143 BC is correct date. Then coming to archaeology in Dwaraka, the date at present is 1900 BC and 1600 BCE. Unfortunately, it was stopped. If they have proceeded, now they would have given the date around 3000 BCE. And this Hastinapura excavations, they show 2800 BCE and 3000 BCE, which is well corroborate with date 3143 BC. And this Kurukshetra in Haryana state, based on thermoluminescence, it is an advanced scientific method that proves iron arrows and spearheads that were used in war. They were found and their date is 3100 BCE. So these are all exactly correct. So in Sinoli in Uttar Pradesh, the famous finding, horse-drawn chariots, at least before 2200 BCE. Initially, they thought, ASI thought that the Mahabharata war would have happened around 1000 BCE, then 1500, now come to 2000. They are saying now before 2200. So if they do further excavations, they will definitely come to a conclusion that Mahabharata war was happened before 3100 BCE. That is the thing. This is the picture.